don't put your hand over the camera. All right. So
Hi.
I have
Bye.
these things,
Bye. Hi.
and
Bye. Hi. Bye.
they are just normally discarded as garbage. But I use them for campfires, and I put some lighter fluid on it. Normally I don't use lighter fluid, but it seems like the lighter fluid actually works well because it soaks in a whole lot. So I'm gonna light it right now and see how it goes. No, you don't need to zoom in. Zoom out, let it go. That seemed like it went pretty well. I'm gonna just put a little bit in the center right there. And but yeah, that's how that thing works with lighter fluid.
Hey! I want to touch it. He's a YouTuber. Bye. Bye.
So these
Whoa! I burned myself.
can be used as a form of like natural charcoal, but it's not gonna get your hand all black if you if you touch them like charcoal does. So I think this is a a pretty nice alternative to charcoal, and you'll see. I'll take pictures of it later, or maybe a video when it's actually like in ember form and it cooks really well. It gets really hot, so you'll see how that works as well. But yeah, that's that.
That's what?